Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we are supposed to find let f defined from R to R be such that f for all x belongs to R. This, this, and this are in AP. So, these three things are in AP. So, can I say that 2 times the middle term will be equal to the sum of first term and the third term? Okay, so we got things as this. Now then the minimum value of f of x, so these guys are interested in finding f of x, so I am trying to find out the minimum value of f of x. So can I write 2 power 1 plus x, 2 power 1 minus x, 3 power x, 3 power minus x by 2. Now you know that these guys are talking about maximum or minimum value. This means that what concept we should apply. Either we should go with am gm hm concept, or we should go with application of differentiation. If all elements are positive, then we can apply am gm hm concept. Okay, so if you'll observe, this is a power exponential, it is exponential function, exponential function, exponential function, exponential function. Okay, so here you can apply am gm hm concept. Correct. Now, as you know that all four members are exponential function, but this exponential function, these two exponential function is different from these two exponential function. Okay, why? Because base is different. Okay, so first you will segregate this bubble one first. So here we will apply am greater than equal to gm, means 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 1 minus x upon 2 greater than equal to 2 power 1 plus x times 2 power 1 minus x power 1 by 2. So you will be having like if you'll add base same power add, so it is 2 power 2 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so it will become 2, and if you'll multiply both side by 2, you will be having this as 4. Okay, so the minimum value of 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 1 minus x is 4. Now focus on next game, that 3 power x, 3 power minus x. Here also we will apply am greater than equal to gm concept. Okay, so it is 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2 greater than equal to 3 power x times 3 power minus x by, sorry, here we should apply power. So base same power add, so 3 power 0 is 1, 1 power 1 by 2 is 1. So can I say that 3 power x plus 3 power minus x greater than equal to 2. So the minimum value of 3 power x plus 3 power minus x is 2. Okay, so the minimum value for these two things is 4. Minimum value of these two things is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 by 2 is 3. So fx minimum is 3. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.